Excuse me po, saan po ito?
Section E?
Ew.
Are you deaf? Leave!
Kasigaw naman to. Sungal-ngalin ko yung lollipop na yan sa'yo eh.
The teacher is asking for appropriate questions. Mababa siguro yung IQ.
Kailan ka alis sa section namin?
Ikaw, kaya ka mawawala sa mundo.
Bakit di ka mauna?
Because I'm the one who's gonna make you disappear from this world.
Like you can.
Yes, I can.
I don't get what's so special about her.
Sino nga ulit hindi maganda?
Kaya pala, you have the audacity to harass us, to harass me, the queen bee of section A.
Section A ka pala? Hindi halata.
Since mabait naman ako, luhod na.
Nek-nek mo!
Bakit naman ibang liga kasi yung gusto?
Or baka naman dahil to dun sa Ella.
On the count of 3 or falling 3?
On fucking 3!